Good morning, children. Welcome to RKmaths. So here today we are going to see class 10 max coordinate geometry exercise 6.1 question number 1 2 3 RD Sharma solutions 2022. So from the latest edition. So before going to the topic, those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. So the RD Sharma class 10 solutions will be uploaded from this channel. Okay, so that you can get the latest updates. So this is a new channel. Your subscription is very, very important. So like this, the problems will be uploaded. So before going to this topic, just let us see the introduction to this topic. Introduction here. So here, René Descartes, the mathematician René Descartes. So here, in his book, Law Geometry, which is published in year 1637, he used algebra in the study of geometry. So here, this we'll call it as coordinate geometry. So algebra in geometry will call it as coordinate geometry. So here, the main concept is the point. In geometry, you are getting the point. The point is plotted. The point is plotted in a plane in the form of ordered pairs. In the form of ordered pairs of real numbers. So this is, we'll call it as Cartesian plane. Cartesian coordinates. So what are these Cartesian coordinates? The Cartesian coordinates are nothing but two number lines. One is horizontal and one is vertical. The horizontal number line, we'll call it as x-axis, and the vertical horizontal line, you will call it as y-axis. So the point which is intersecting, both are mutually perpendicular to each other. So this point, you will call it as origin. Just we are seeing, this is called as origin. So this side all will get a positive number line. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. 1, 2, 3 like that, you will get a number line. This side, if you go to this side, you will get negatives. Negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4 will get negative numbers. On y-axis, if you go towards top, you will get positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go towards down, you will call it as negative number line -1, -2, -3, -4. So the plane is divided into René Descartes divide the plane into four quadrants. Four quadrants. Each one is will call it as Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. So from this, you can say, so here the first quadrant, x is positive. X is positive and y is also positive. X positive, y positive. And if you go to the second quadrant, x negative. X value is negative and y value is positive. X value is negative, y value is positive. So here you can write x greater than 0, y greater than 0 also. Here you can write x less than 0 and y is greater than 0. Now if you take the third quadrant, here x is negative and y is also negative. So x is negative and y is negative. So here you can write x is less than 0 and y is also less than 0. Now if you take quadrant 4, here x is positive and y is negative. X is positive and y is negative. So this one you can write as x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0. So these are the basics we are having in this topic. So suppose if you want to plot a point, if you want to plot a point 3 comma 5, if you want to plot a point a 3 comma 5. So here on x-axis this is x value, this is y value. On x-axis you will take 3, on y-axis here you will get 5. So both the points this lines will join at this point. This will call it as 3 comma 5. So this is the point A. Like this you will plot every point on this 4 quadrants. Now here you have to note one point. What is the point you have to notice? Here if x value 0, if x value 0, it lies on y-axis. X value 0, it lies on y-axis. Suppose you are having 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 means here x value 0, here 5. The point lies on y-axis. Okay, in the same way, if y value is equal to 0, y value equal to 0, it lies on x-axis. If y value is 0, it lies on x-axis. Suppose you take 3 comma 0. So here the point 3 comma 0. Here the point is 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0, the point lies on x-axis. Now if both x and y are equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0. If both x and y are equal to 0, then you will call it as origin. And it is denoted with the letter O. 0 comma 0 origin. Here it is 0 comma 0. At this point it is the origin. So the plotting of the points is very, very important. This is the introduction we are having for this coordinate geometry. Basing on this, we are going to do the problem in the next class. So here plotting the points is very, very important. I hope you understood it clearly. If any doubts are there, or you can write if any doubts are there, you can comment in the comment box. So here every point you can plot on this quadrants, q1, q2, q3 and q4. Thank you for watching. I am CG Max. Thank you for watching RKmaths Olympiad.